3 online businesses you can do in 2024 and make so much money. If you have a smartphone and data, you are not supposed to be poor. You have to learn how you can turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. 1, you can become a social media manager. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, and look for people that you can manage their pages. You can use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you can manage a lot of pages and make so much money every month. You have to learn how to use social media. 2, start drop shipping business. Drop shipping business basically means what? Advertising people's products on the internet and making money from it. You are not supposed to buy or import any product. You just have to advertise people's products with your smartphone. Use WhatsApp status, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you can make so much money. 3, you can become an online coach. You are a farmer, you are a chef, you are a makeup artist, fashion designer. You have to bring that skill on the internet and teach people. You can make a lot of money. Follow the link on my bio, join my WhatsApp group, and register for my upcoming